Hi students, good morning. I am Vittal School science teacher. All of you take your science books. Okay, today Thursday. Today we are going to learn about Unit 3. All of you turn page number 89. Today we learn about nature's boundary. Okay. We already complete the lesson Unit 2. What we do learn in the Unit 2? My senses, smells, story time, how to wash our hands properly, then brushing our teeth, then healthy washrooms routines. These topics are we already complete in our previous class. Okay. Today we are going to learn Unit 3, Nature's Boundary. First of all, learning objectives. The learner should be able to observe, identify, name, describe and understand the importance of leaves, flowers, vegetables and fruits. Okay, let's see. Selvi went to a garden. She saw a yellow flower on the tomato plant. She is Selvi. She saw a yellow flower on the tomato plant. Okay. She went to pluck it. She went to pluck it the flower. Suddenly a bee come and said, it is bee. A bee come and said, please leave it for me. It's my food. It is said, please leave it for me. It is my food. Okay. The flower is bee food. Next, let us see. She saw a red tomato on the tomato plant. It is tomato. She saw a red color tomato on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. Again, she went to pluck it the tomato. But a parrot come. It is parrot. A parrot come and said, please leave it for me. It's my food. Parrot asked, tomato is my food. Okay. She saw a red tomato on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. A parrot come and said, please leave it for me. It's my food. See here. She saw a green leaf on the tomato plant. Okay. Next, she saw a green leaf on the tomato plant. A grasshopper come and said. Next, grasshopper come and said. What he say? Please don't pluck the leaf. Please don't pluck the leaf. It's my food. Leaf வந்து கிராஸ்ஹாப்பரோட ஃபுட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது. ஓகேவா? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட், watering the plant, Selvi said, you provide food for all of us. Thank you very much. She say the tomato plant, you provide food for all of this. Okay. Tomato provide food, bee, parrot and grasshopper. So, she will thank you. Okay. Underline the words yellow flower. Spell the word yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Next, tomato plant. Spell the word tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Next, bee. B-E-E, bee. Next, the word red tomato. Underline the word. Now we spell R-E-D. Red tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Next word is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Next, sisaya green leaf. You know. Spell the word green leaf. G-R-E-E-N. Green. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Green leaf. Next, the word grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Okay. Finally, she said, you provide food for all of us. Thank you very much. Okay. Page number 90. Let us see leaves. The topic is leaves. Let us go on a joyful journey into the world of plants. Okay, let us talk. Plants have different kinds of leaves. Plants have different kinds of leaves. Okay. They are of various size, shapes, colors and textures. Talk about some leaves that you have seen around you. Leaves kinds, different types. Yeah. Look at the image. See the image. There are different kinds of leaves. Yeah. And various size, shapes, colors and textures. There are different kinds of leaves and different kinds of shapes, size, color and textures. Okay. Here are some helping words. Here some vocabulary words are given. Light green, dark green, soft, smooth, rough, edge, sharp, rounder, dry, big, small, tip. Okay. First of all, we see banana, valley. Okay. This is the banana leaf. It is lengthy. Okay. Next, mango, mangai. This is the mango leaf. Drumstick, murungai. Next, neem, vepa ilai. Coconut, tennai. Basil, tulasi. Mint, pudina. Coriander, kottamalli. Curry leaves, karivepillai. So, we see different kinds of leaves in their image. இல்லையா நம்ம நிறைய டைப்ஸ்ல leaves பார்க்குறோம். There are various types. Size vary ஆகுது. Shapes and color also different. இல்லையா? Okay. So we have learned plants have different kinds of leaves and different types of size, shape, color and textures. Okay. Next, page number 91. Compare the leaves. Use the words you have learned. Compare the leaves. Use the word you learn. This is dark green. This is also dark green, light green. This is coconut. This is coconut leaf. It's very lengthy. This is one short and dark green and rough. நம்ம இத வந்து டச் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா ரஃப்பா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? Okay. Next, this is also dark green, rough and short. This is coconut leaf, lengthy. This is smooth and lengthy light green. Okay. This is palm leaf, sharp. Okay. Sharp even both sides எல்லாமே ஷார்ப்பாக இருக்கு இல்லையா. this color also dark green. okay. Leaf rubbing. You have to do this activity, leaf rubbing. Let us make a leaf pattern using crayons. Bottom of the paper leaves நீங்கள் வச்சுட்டு மேலே crayons அப்ளை பண்ணினீங்க அப்படின்னா நமக்கு ஒரு லீஃபோட இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஓகே. You have to do this activity in our home. Next, see here. Bring one leaf to class. Observe the changes in the leaf over a week. Okay, you take one leaf, observe in the 1 week. Okay, நம்ம ஒரு லீஃப் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ஒரு வாரம் முழுக்க நம்ம அப்சர்வ் பண்ணணும். என்ன ஆகும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீம் கலர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். நெக்ஸ்ட் அதோட திக்னஸ், ரஃப்னஸ், ஸ்மூத்தி இதெல்லாமே சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் இல்லையா. இதுதான் அதோட சேஞ்சஸ். என்ன சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கு? கலர்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கு இல்லையா. ஃபஸ்ட்டு க்ரீனியாக இருக்குது, அப்புறம் லைட் க்ரீன், நெக்ஸ்ட் கலர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது, அப்புறமா ஃபைனலாக அது காஞ்சி போயிடுது, ட்ரை ஆகிடுது. ஓகே. இதே போல் நீங்கள் வீட்டில் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு லீஃப் எடுத்து நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். நீம் லீஃப் இல்லை மேங்கோ லீஃப், இந்த எனி ஒன். ஓகேவா? ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று நீங்கள் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி டெக்ஸ்சர்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். சம்டைம்ஸ் நீங்கள் நம்ம வீட்டில் பொங்கல் ஹாலிடேஸ்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. நம்ம பொங்கல் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் ஹாலிடேஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். பொங்கல் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் அப்போ நம்ம வீட்டில் மாயிலை வச்சு தோரணம் கட்டுவாங்க இல்லையா. கொஞ்ச நாள் கழித்து பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம டெய்லி அதை நோட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா அதோட கலர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? அதுதான் அதோட பர்பஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் we see flowers. Page number 92, flowers. Look at the pictures. These are some flowers that we see around us. Let us name them. Okay, look at the images. These are some variety of flowers and different kind of flowers. There are many colors in our flowers. Okay. First of all, we see firecracker, கனகாம்பரம், ஜாஸ்மின், மல்லிகை, marigold, சாமந்தி, லோட்டஸ், தாமரை, ஃப்ராங்கிபனி, சம்பங்கி, ரோஸ், ரோஜா, ஸ்க்ரீவ் பாயின், தாழம்பூ, ஷோ ஃப்ளவர், செம்பருத்தி, ஹரிச்சம்பா, மனோரஞ்சிதம். Okay, these are flowers. Various types flowers are there. And what are they? Firecracker, jasmine, marigold, lotus, frangipani, rose, screw pine, show flower and harichampa. Which flower do you like? Describe that flower. Children, which flower do you like? Jasmine, rose, show flower, anyone, whatever you like. Yeah. Here are some words to help you. Again, some vocabulary words are given, and what are they? Smell, petal, soft, smooth, rough, thorn, color, red, pink, white, yellow. Okay, these are flowers vocabulary words. Let's see here. Some flowers have a pleasant smell. You know that some flowers have a pleasant smell. What are they? Jasmine, rose, then lotus, harichampa. Okay, these flowers have a pleasant smell. For example, champaka Shenbagam, jasmine, rose. These flowers have a pleasant smell. We can keep flowers fresh as shown. Flowers have different kinds of petals. Observe the shapes of the petals. These flowers are different types of petals. Rose have a one type of petal. Jasmine have a one type of petal. This is also one type of petals. Okay. So, flowers have different kinds of petals. Okay. We can keep flowers fresh as shown. Flowers வந்து ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக வச்சுக்கணும்னா you pour the water. Okay. Next, match the flowers with their petals. First flower, hibiscus, செம்பருத்தி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா? What are the petals in match? This is the correct one. One second. Okay, first one is this one correct. Second one, lotus. This is the correct one. Third one, rose. And final one is sunflower. Okay. This is the correct match, the flower petals. Next, we see vegetables. Okay. Rain time. I went to the market with my bag, 2 pie tomatoes, red and round. Potatoes, big and brown. Green chilies, long and thin. Fat pumpkins, orange and green. Purple brinjals, big and small. And drumsticks, green and lengthy. My bag became heavy. I came back home with my basket full. Everybody smiled. Rain time. Okay. I went to the market with my bag, 2 pie tomatoes, red and round, potatoes, big and brown, green chilies, long and thin, fat pumpkins, orange and green, purple brinjals, big and small, and drumsticks, green and lengthy. My bag became heavy. I came back home with my basket full. Everybody smiled. Next, we see, let us talk. We all eat vegetables. They keep us healthy and strong. Which vegetables do you like? Can you describe them? Here are some words to help you. Students, which vegetable do you like? Write note on chart. Okay. உங்களுக்கு என்ன வெஜிடபிள் பிடிக்குமோ அங்கே எழுதி ஏன் பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு சின்ன வேர்ட்ஸில் நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணி வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் சென்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த ஹோம்ஒர்க். Next, some vocabulary words are given. The words are smooth, rough, big, small, size, shape, color, heavy, light, taste, watery, hard, round, long, brown, orange, green, red, purple. Okay. See here. Observe how nicely the vegetables are arranged. We see cabbages, tomatoes, cucumber, red gourd, carrots and many more. Shall we identify them? See the picture, children. A vegetable shop. What are the inside? Brinjal, cauliflower, cabbage, drumstick, chilies, bitter gourd, beetroot, carrot, capsicum. So the vegetables are in there. Okay. Here are some commonly used vegetables. Okay. We are used commonly used vegetables are there: onion, ginger, garlic. Let's spell onion. O-N-I-O-N. Okay, onion. Let's spell ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Okay. Next we see beetroot. Spell the word B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. Next radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Lady's finger. L-A-D-I-E-S-F-I-N-G-E-R. Lady's finger. Okay. These are the vegetables, commonly used vegetables. Next, look at the different variety of brinjals given below. These are all brinjals, but different varieties. Next, let's see. Observe the vegetable man. Identify the vegetables he is made of. Describe them using the words you have learned. Answer the questions. See the picture. He is vegetable man. Identify the vegetables, children. What are the insides? Lady's finger, carrot, brinjal, tomato, cabbage, mango, drumstick and chili. This is pumpkin. Okay. First one, which vegetables are hard? What vegetables are hard? Pumpkin hard. Drumstick also hard vegetable. Which vegetable is green and long? Drumstick green and long. Which vegetable is orange in color? Two types. One carrot, then pumpkin. These vegetables are orange color. Okay. Next, one group describes a vegetable and the other group names it. You can play this game with our friends. Okay. Next, we see vegetable printing. This is activity. You have to do activity with your friends. Okay. Next, vegetable printing with lady's finger. With capsicum. Using carrot. Using lemon. Okay. This is also activity you have to do in our home. Okay. And using sketch paint. Okay. Vegetable printing using which vegetables are capsicum, lady's finger, carrot, using also radish, using lemon. Okay. Today class is over. Today what we learn? Today tomato plant provide food for all us. Yeah. Okay. Next we see leaves, flowers, different kinds of leaves. There are various size, shape, colors and textures. Similar like flowers also different types. Next we see vegetables and vegetable drawing. Next, vegetable printing. This is your activity you have to do in our home. Okay. Today class is over. We meet next class. Thank you, students.